If you've been searching for a frying pan that combines the best of both worlds, superior cooking performance and easy cleanup, look no further than the Black Cube Frieling quick-release cookware fry pan. This award-winning hybrid cookware is changing the way we think about frying pans. Designed for both professional chefs and home cooks, the 9.5-inch Black Cube frying pan offers a revolutionary combination of the durability of stainless steel and the convenience of non-stick surfaces. Why choose the Black Cube Frieling quick-release fry pan? At first glance, the Black Cube quick-release fry pan may look like your standard stainless steel cookware, but its innovative design sets it apart from any other frying pan on the market. This hybrid frying pan is engineered to provide superior browning while offering the ease of non-stick cooking. Here are just a few reasons why this frying pan stands out. Number 1. Revolutionary hybrid cooking surface. The Black Cube quick-release fry pan features a stainless steel textured surface with raised pixels and a recessed non-stick layer, which allows for unparalleled heat distribution and browning. This design ensures that your food cooks evenly, providing a professional quality finish whether you're searing meats or sautéing vegetables. The raised pixels help you achieve the perfect crust on meats, while the recessed non-stick layer makes cleaning up a breeze. Number 2. Scratch-resistant and metal utensil safe. One of the biggest concerns when using non-stick cookware is the risk of scratching. With the Black Cube frying pan, you can rest easy. The hybrid design is scratch-resistant and safe for metal utensils, so you can use whatever tools you prefer, from metal spatulas to tongs, without worrying about damaging the surface. This frying pan is built to last, and it holds up to daily use in both professional kitchens and home cooking environments. Number 3. Quick and even heat distribution. The Black Cube quick-release fry pan heats up quickly and evenly, regardless of the cooktop you're using. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stove, this frying pan is designed to deliver fast and uniform heating, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection every time. No more worrying about hot spots or uneven cooking, just consistently excellent results. Number 4. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. One of the standout features of this frying pan is its easy-to-clean surface. The recessed non-stick layer makes cleaning simple, even after frying, sautéing, or searing. Unlike traditional stainless steel pans, this one cleans like non-stick, just a quick wipe, or for a deeper clean, it's dishwasher safe. Plus, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it's ideal for everything from stovetop cooking to finishing in the oven. Number 5. Ergonomic and comfortable handle. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and balance, making it easy to handle the frying pan, even when it's filled with hot food. The handle ensures you can safely maneuver the pan without burning your hands or struggling to lift it. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables, you'll appreciate the comfortable grip that comes with this fry pan. Key benefits. Superior performance. Hybrid stainless steel and non-stick design for perfect cooking. Durable, scratch-resistant, and safe for metal utensils. Easy cleanup, wipe clean or dishwasher safe. Versatile, great for sautéing, frying, and searing. Long-lasting, oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Professional quality, ideal for all cooking levels. Ideal for home cooks and professional chefs. The Black Cube Frieling quick-release fry pan is perfect for anyone who wants to take their cooking to the next level. Whether you're cooking for your family at home or preparing dishes in a restaurant setting, this frying pan offers unmatched cooking performance and convenience. If you enjoy searing, browning, or even sautéing, this pan will quickly become your go-to kitchen tool. This fry pan is also a great choice for health-conscious individuals, as it allows for healthier cooking with less oil, thanks to its non-stick surface. Additionally, if you are someone who loves experimenting with different cooking techniques, the versatility of this pan will give you the freedom to try new recipes with confidence. Why you need the Black Cube Frieling quick-release fry pan? The Black Cube quick-release fry pan is more than just a regular frying pan. It's a kitchen revolution. Offering the best features of both stainless steel and non-stick cookware, this frying pan makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. With its ability to achieve perfect browning, resist scratches, and provide an ergonomic design, it's the ideal choice for both amateur and professional cooks alike. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight meal or cooking a gourmet dinner, This frying pan will make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own a top-tier pan that delivers both style and performance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.